my channel Learn and Win with Chetana Dattatreya. In my last video, I had updated an info on how anthurium plants can be grown in your home garden. In my today's video, I will be updating how one can keep syngonium plants and how one can grow syngonium plants in pots. These are my syngonium plants that which I have grown in pots and small bushes. Syngonium plant is also known as arrowhead plant, arrowhead vine, goosewood, etc. I have planted syngonium plant in pots. I have kept them interior to bring a bit of greenery to the interior decor. They do not need much maintenance. This is a slow growing vine and one can grow them in pot as hanging. This plant is also known as the Nephtitis plant. Plant the Nephtitis plant in a pot filled with well-drained soil that which is rich in organic material. Place the plants with green leaves in a medium or low light. Avoid direct sunlight as they cause bleaching to the leaves. Water the plant until the soil is damp. Wait until the top of the soil is dry before watering it again. The plant begins to droop when water is needed, but it will perk up when hydrated. Do not overwater these plants, as overwatering will lead to root rot which can kill the Nephtitis. Do not place the plant near fireplaces or hot air vents. Hey, all of you might be imagining, what am I doing with the stick and coconut coir? I am preparing a moss stick for my syngonium plant. It is very simple to prepare a moss stick. Just you should have a long stick this way what I have, and you should wrap the cocoa fiber around the stick very tightly so that it holds the stick very tightly. I have the small pieces of cocoa fiber with me and I am attaching to the stick very tightly. I have prepared the moss stick and the moss stick is ready to use. Now you can observe my plants have grown as a bushy plant in my pot. So if I don't want a bushy plant, if I feel that the vines are very long, I can use the moss stick. What I am doing is just I am piercing the moss stick to the soil and I am departing all the vines and I am attaching the vines slowly to the moss stick. The vines have grown very long. I am slowly attaching the vines to the moss stick. After attaching the vines slowly to the moss stick, you can tie the plant to the moss stick with the help of a thread this way. The moss stick gives support to the plant and it will help the vine to climb up. And your plant looks like a creeper now and no longer it looks bushy. This way, with the help of the moss stick, you can grow tall plants. That is, you can grow long vines and you can attach them to your moss stick. With the help of the moss stick, the plants gets attached to the moss stick and grows very beautifully and looks very tall. You can also grow your syngonium in water in a bowl as I have grown in this bowl. Take a bowl and add some pebbles. You can see some yellow and white pebbles that I have added. Add some pebbles to a bowl first. After that, place the plant that which has root and then again cover the plant with some more pebbles around it. After covering with some more pebbles, just add some water and place it in a bowl. This way, the syngonium plants looks very beautiful in water. You can see the cocoa coir powder on my hands. The coco coir powder is a very good fertilizer to any kind of plants. I am adding the coco coir powder to the plant, Syngonium plant, so that it is a very good fertilizer. You can see my Syngonium plants that which have grown very bushy. If you don't want your plant to be very bushy, if you find your plant has grown long vines, you can cut it this way as I am cutting it. You can cut the long vine along with the root. Now I have cut the long vine that which has root at its tip. Now after cutting, I am propagating this plant in the soil. Now whichever part I have cut, a new plant will arise from that and the plant looks bushy. Now I have taken a pot that which contains organic material, organic soil in it. Now I am planting this plant in this pot. This way I have planted the plant in the pot that which contains organic material. After some days you can see the plant developing with the roots and growing very nicely. So I have propagated one more plant from the Syngonium plant that which has yielded a long vine. Thus my old plant, it will grow bushy, and I have a new plant pot from the Syngonium plant that which I had previously. One should take care while operating the Syngonium plants, as the liquid that which is present inside the Syngonium plant is an irritant to the skin. One can use gloves when handling these plants, and these plants can be kept away from pets and humans, and also especially small children. With this special care, definitely one can grow Syngonium plants in your home garden, which adds a beautiful decor to your interior. In my today's video, I have shown you how to grow Syngonium plants in water, how to take care of the Syngonium plants, and how to prepare a moss stick and how to attach the moss stick to your Syngonium plants. Hope all these tips are very useful to you. Stay updated. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.